So yeah, we're now at the beginning of March. As you can see behind me, we got lots going on. Our subcontractor completed the deep foundation work on the west side, and they're currently on the east side installing the 2 piles for the east pier. Our guys are busy at work getting the foundation work completed for the substructure. So currently we're getting the base ready to be able to start standing up our formwork for our piers. The crew's been amazing. They've worked through quite a bit of weather here. You know, everyone's been safe, everyone's been working hard. You know, as you can see, there's lots going on all around us between our subcontractors and our own workers. Lots of different facets of the bridge that are all kind of coming together right now, and you know, things are moving on up.